Hi everyone, welcome to Introduction to Cloud Computing. Now we are going to discuss about what is a cloud computing and what are the cloud computing classifications that we have in the current days. Okay, beginning with what is a cloud computing? Okay. Cloud computing is nothing but delivering of your services over the internet. Means you are going to deliver your any sort of computing resources over the internet. Means cloud computing resources includes your applications, network, storage, database, all these things starting from your application to all the data center level requirements. These all sort of things you are going to get it over the internet. Why I should go with a service over internet if I have everything in my on premises? There are certain advantages with the cloud computing which we will be not able to achieve in on premises. The thing is, the cloud computing resources are elastic resources. In the sense, you can scale up your resources or scale down your resources as per your demand or per your requirement. Okay. And the next beautiful part of this cloud computing is you will be paying only for what you are using. If you are using for one certain resource, you will pay only for that certain resource, and the cost cutting is more when you are utilizing the cloud computing thing. Okay. And what is the classification of cloud that we have? Basically, the cloud classification is done on two things: the way you deploy the cloud and the way what kind of service you are getting from the cloud environment. In the deployment model, we classify it into three things: public cloud, private cloud, and hybrid cloud. What is a public cloud is everyone can utilize the service the respective service provider is providing. Say for example, the best examples of your public cloud is Amazon Web Services, Azure, Google Cloud. Okay, these are the famous public cloud platforms where everyone can come and create an account and start utilizing the services. And what is a private cloud? Private cloud is we implement our own cloud in our on-premises. Means, some of our colleagues or person different vendor may implement the private cloud on your hardware. Means here the hardware also is belonging to you. So the private cloud implementation can be done over a OpenStack or a Hyper-V. There are different platforms where you can implement the private cloud. What is a hybrid cloud? Hybrid cloud is a platform, means it is where you can combine both your public cloud and the private cloud. The best example that I can give you is that say you have a web server deployed in a public cloud, but still you want to implement the database in your on-premises. Here both the combination we are having is public plus private is nothing but the hybrid cloud. And coming to the service model, okay, the basically what sort of service I am getting it from the vendor, it is classified into three things: infrastructure as a service, software as a service, and platform as a service. Apart from these three, we have nowadays we are getting database as a service, network as a service. We have a very long list, but basic classification is the three categories. Okay, what I am getting it in the infrastructure as a service. In the infrastructure as a service, a third party person is maintaining all your hardware, server, storage, and whatever falls under the infrastructure part. And you are just accessing it in the form of a service through internet. And what is a software as a service is all the softwares are hosted in the cloud and you are accessing it in the internet. The softwares may be including your Office 365 or Google Apps or Salesforce, Google, Citrix, GoToMeeting. These are the things which are hosted in the cloud and you are utilizing it as a service. Okay. And what is a platform as a service? Platform as a service is a category where you will get your development environments and you want to build your environment without doing installations and all the required supporting things. So in the platform you can directly deploy your services, deploy your application, and utilize a sort of platform where they are giving to you. Okay, the best example is say you You don't need a hardware, but operating system is already installed and given to you, or your database is already installed and given to you. Just start utilizing the database. No need to install. Installation stuff is reduced when you are using any service from the platform as a service. So this is the basic classification that we have it in the cloud. Okay. And in our coming class sessions, we are going to discuss about what are the advantages that we have it in our cloud. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel so you'll be having the updates on my recordings. Thank you very much.